Okay, thank you. I'm glad we cleared that up. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm Cynthia. You know, there's nothing better than knowing you are right. They say I never paid the bill, but I've got my canceled check here to prove that I did. I never thought I'd be so happy that I had a checking account with Valley Credit Union. When you pay with a check, you have documented proof of payment. If you lose cash, chances are you'll never get it back. After all, it doesn't have your name on it. A checking account is safe too. If you lose your checkbook, you can cancel your checks and close your account. Plus, it's a great way to really keep track of the way you spend your money. Instead of wondering, where did my money go? You can be in control and know exactly where it went. My mother would be so proud that I'm so organized and on top of things. I think I'll give her a call and let her know. You know, not everyone makes smart money decisions, but you can.
Valley Credit Union, we're here for you. Visit our branches in Tuscumbia, Sheffield, Muscle Shoals, and Russellville.